Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with a really quick share. I did a haul at Hobby Lobby, small haul. It's a planner haul, so I'm just gonna go through the stuff that I bought and real quickly here. So this is my haul. Are you surprised? Haven't been to Hobby Lobby for a few months, so I was very surprised to see it there, and so since I saw it, I was like, I'm going to get it. And one of my crafty friends, Lorraine, she's one of my subbies, I love her. She sent me this last year, and it's the Happy Planner, and it's like the princesses. So this will go great because now I have a planner to Disney plan in. So I can't wait. I might share some videos of some spreads I do, maybe, I don't know. But let's see, I will show you. It says see the beauty every day. And let's see, we can take this off. And here's the months so that I can month them out, because I do believe it is blank. So I'm gonna start it in July, I believe, if I can get on it. Oh, and it's a perfect month because I go to Disneyland in July and I can Disney plan. So this is what the monthly planners look like. This is the weekly planners. They give you note paper. So cute. You know, I'm just skipping through this really quickly. I didn't even show you all of the dividers. But I also got the Mickey head discs. This one has the clear or gold hearts on it now. And then I also got the dashboard. Let's check this out. Sorry if there's a glare. Look at how cute she is. Dream until your dreams come true. Yeah, don't give up. And there's the other one. Leave a trail of magic wherever you go. Leave a trail of magic wherever you go. And this is the shorter one. Ooh, ooh. That's for that. And then I also got these plastic envelopes as well that go in. Whoa. In case I have like millions of dollars I want to add to my planner. Yeah, right. Oh, these are cute though. I'm not sure what I'm going to use them for yet, but I know I will figure something out. So yeah, this is all I bought at Hobby Lobby. I didn't go there for anything. It's just because I was in the neighborhood and I haven't been there for a long time because I'm never in the neighborhood. But hope you guys are having a crafty day and that you enjoyed my little haul. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, thank you for stopping by again. Please consider liking and subscribing, sharing this video with a crafty friend. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas!